All right, so I got three. I got this EXPD through 78 that's been flagging since pretty much mid 2018. Pretty clear and defined level. Got this KMB, same thing, flagging since mid 2019, 145 area. And then also this AutoZone, AZO, through that 1160.
Nice.
Now they've been flagging, for a year plus. Those are the three ones with some clear defined resistance levels to keep an eye on.
Nice.
What about you?
So as I said, I'm waiting for the pullback. So I just kind of have a list of pullback names. And another thing we have to factor is that earnings season starts next week, July 14th. It starts with the banks. It doesn't really get fun until the first few weeks in, but the last few weeks before earnings season, I don't do a ton usually. So, but I have my pullback list that I like, and LITE. If I get another chance at this one in the 78, I like that one a lot. I like Roku. I think Roku, once it breaks through this huge, massive resistance level, I think this one's a race back to highs as well. What else? Roku Lite. Oh, I mentioned ABT. That's on my list too. On the pullback, if I get another chance between 88 and 90, I'm buying that thing. And then XLNX. That's another one that's on my list. I think that'll be. They pre-released earnings for the quarter, saying they were going to be great. So I'm just going to keep watching that one until it falls into a buy territory. But you kind of see what I'm doing. It's like I'm finding my favorite names, and I'm finding the buy areas where I should be looking to buy them instead of just kind of depending on momentum every day to be there.
Yeah, that's great.